Hey guys, welcome back on our channel. So you know that when you are going to write some codes in the HTML, so basically there is the something of requirements like HTML elements, attributes, syntax. So today is the topic of the day, HTML elements. So now I will explain you that what is the actual HTML elements, how you can identify that, and how you can use in your own programming language inside the HTML documents. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hey guys, so just focus on my screen, and now I'm going to show you that what is the actually HTML elements. So let's see. Yeah. Alright, so now you can see on my screen that this is the page I already opened here, and here you can see that is the doc type HTML on the first line, and then HTML tag, head tag, and then again title, and then body tag, and HTML is closing. So now we are talking about the HTML element. So basically main definition of this HTML elements means that its tag will be open and tag will be closed. That is called the HTML element. It's very important that how you can identify that which tag is closed. So it's very simple that which tag will be open, that tag will be closed by the slash. So just like you can see here, we are using the slash. This HTML tag is open on the line number 2nd, and this HTML is closed on line number 13. And it's, you can see here is the simple HTML written here, and this HTML keywords is using with the slash. So this is called the closing tag. So which tag will be open, that tag will be closed by the slash, that is called the HTML elements. Yeah. So you can see that this one is similarly for the head, similarly for the title is open, so title is closed, and this is the body, open, so body is closed. So this is the main root of the HTML elements. Okay, now let's see about the heading and paragraph. If I will talk about the heading and paragraph, so basically you know that paragraph size is the very common, it's never different, because if you like to make the changes like paragraph styles, paragraph font size, font family, like that, these all things, so you can manage by the external CSS or CSS styles, you can do that, but by default it's common for the paragraph size. And same thing for the headings. So inside the heading there is the different kinds of 6 headings, okay, like H1 to S6, which is the biggest size of the heading, and which is the lowest size of the very smallest size of the heading, that is called the H1 to S6. H1 is the very biggest size, and S6 is the very lowest size, very smallest size. Let's see. So basically now you can see on my screen that I am using here H1 to H6, and this is the paragraph also. Okay, so if I will run this page on the browser, then you can see that H1 size will be very biggest as compared to other, and this H2 will be a little bit small, then H3 will be little bit small as compared to second. This similarly it will be, the size will be the decreased of the heading from H1 to H6. Total 6 types of the heading inside the HTML. And this is the paragraph, so it's common. If I will write one paragraph, two paragraph, it's common, it's never will be changed. We can manage this all things. If you like to add the styles, then you can manage by the CSS only. Now let's see on the browser that how it's look. So basically now I'm going to on browser, and I will reload this one. So you can see this is the first heading, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6 is the very smallest heading size, and this is the common paragraph. So if I will repeat this paragraph, then you can see it will be nothing different, okay, like this one. So it will also look same font size, because there is no default styles for the paragraph. You can see this is the common. So paragraph will be common, and heading size will be the different from H1 to S6. I hope you understand this one, that what is the HTML elements and what is the difference between the different kinds of headings in the HTML, and the paragraph. If you have any doubts, if you have any confusion, please leave comment, please leave your doubts in the comment box. I will see and get you soon back. So basically I hope everything is clear. Okay, in next topic I will explain you about the HTML attributes and the HTML styles, formatting. These all many interesting topics, so please get in touch with us and just learn about the web design. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.